What's good with y'all? We're gonna start with today's vlog. In today's video, got some unfortunate news. As y'all can see right here, someone hit me. Very unfortunate. But fortunately, we got a new mod. GK Tech S13 Ganadors is what we're gonna be installing on the IS300 today. As y'all can see, this mirror got totally obliterated. It's just garbage now. It's trash. So can't be rolling around like that. Instead of spending the money on another set of stock mirrors or just the one, went ahead and got the GK Tech S13 Ganadors. So that's what we're gonna be getting to. That's probably why you clicked on this video, because you'll probably have an IS300 that you want to do the same thing to it. I wouldn't blame you because it looks really good. I'll put a picture up right here of this green IS300 that I really like the way they look. So yeah, so you guys can see that. But other than that, let's get right into it. Not gonna waste you guys' time, so let's get it. So cut to the chase, not wasting no time. We're gonna stop with that basic YouTuber shit. Already unboxed it. Got them right here. These are S13 Ganadors. Like, once again, real Ganadors. I wouldn't say these are fake, right? It's a real thing, but real Ganadors, JDM Ganadors are like 1200, whatever. These are pretty inexpensive. They cost about $160 for the set, which is pretty good, bro. And GK Tech is known for good quality drift stuff, so I guess you could say we big drift guys now. Anyway, so yeah, definitely already gonna look better than what we got on it right now. As y'all can see, we got that one busted, and then this one over here, it's kind of, yeah, it's not it. And it's never been, I wrapped them once, I didn't wrap them again, I was too lazy. So yeah, we're rocking one broken. Haven't driven the car since because it's looking kind of booty now. But let's get into uninstalling the stock ones and installing the S13 ones. Hopefully we can make them fit. Like I said, someone did it. Let's see if we can recreate it. Let's get it. So if you're wondering how you take this off, it's a tweeter cover with a 3 10s, and that's basically should be it. I think it actually has an electrical connector because these are electric mirrors, but other than that, it should be fairly simple. So I'm not going to show you guys that because that's boring. So I'll show you guys when it's done, when it's off actually. All right, so yes, it is those 3 10s that I showed you guys, but you gotta remove the door panel. Super simple. The only difficult thing is taking off this from the door handle. Just be careful. Once that comes out, there's another tab on the side. Other than that, just pop up clips to remove the electric mirror and also get access to that third 10 at the bottom right here. Nothing crazy, but yeah, we got that done. So now we can just finally remove the mirror completely and start mocking up the Ganador. Alright, so the kit or whatever comes with, obviously it's hardware. The mounting bracket bolts onto the mirror itself first, and then these 3 right here that you see exposed are the actual mounting to the car. So yeah, we got it mounted up, then we're gonna mount it to the car. But first, I do have visors, so I'm gonna go ahead and trim the top edge of this just so it fits a little bit better. That way I don't have to remove my visor. Gonna remove that, take the adhesive off the car, and then that way it fits way better than what it is right now, because they'll be mounted something like this. But as you guys can see, that top edge hits the visor, so we're gonna go ahead and shave that off. That way, in my opinion, looks a lot better. So let's go ahead and do that, clean that surface up, and we'll get to mounting it up. Do this step, but we're gonna take the Dremel, cut that corner off because we don't need it to fit better with my visor. If you don't have visors, keep it. You can do it. This is a DIY thing because these are for S13. Obviously, this is not an S13, but we're gonna make these fit because they look fucking sick. So yeah, let's get to cutting it real quick. It does come with this hardware to mount, which is this one. I'm trying to use a longer one, but this one does reach. I'm not gonna say it doesn't, so we're gonna try the ones that it provided to go ahead and mount onto the stock holes on the IS300. I round it off where I cut just to make it look a lot cleaner. These will get wrapped, maybe. I'm not sure yet. Well, they probably will, but not now. So yeah, we're gonna throw them on like this. Hardware they provided, so let's get it. I ain't gonna lie, look, the mounting points don't all work. One lines up perfectly, the other 2 you gotta make the hole bigger or it doesn't line up at all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use that one bolt, we're gonna throw some double-sided tape, we use some JB weld to put on the screw. Once that's screwed into the plastic, it dries, it's gonna bond, not gonna come off. Follow this or don't, it's gonna work, you'll see. Alright, so we got it. We got the passenger side all finished up, all buttoned up. We got the door panel all back on, dude. Look, word of advice, if you're doing this to your IS300, do it. You'll figure out what you need to do when you're doing it. It's not gonna take that long. Use your brain. I'm gonna be honest with you, I just hold on by one bolt right now. One bolt with some JB weld on the bolt to bond onto the plastic. Call me dumb, call me what you want, it's gonna work. double-sided tape around the mirror. That way it bonds to the door. And yeah, it should be good. It's lightweight. It's way lighter. It's not heavy. It's plastic, so it's gonna be perfectly fine. And yeah, it looks super good, as y'all can see. We'll be getting them wrapped, but it looks good. So let's get on to the other side, show you guys when it's all done. I'm really liking how this looks. Got the mirrors all mounted up, installed, looking good. Door panels back on. They look pretty sick. Car is really dirty right now. It's been sitting for a couple days because that mirror was broken, and I wasn't trying to drive with a broken mirror like that because it's illegal and it looks trash. So this is gonna be like one of a cold start from a couple days. So hopefully y'all enjoy this. I think it's dummy loud, but it sounds super good. I definitely don't regret doing the catless headers. One of you guys commented on my last video installing the headers that I should replace the white pipe, so we'll be doing that eventually. More loud. Plus I'm gonna do a blast pipe, probably a single or a dual. I got the duals from the Civic that were I was running on the Civic, but I'm gonna throw these back on the Civic. That's coming in a new video because Civic content is coming back. Got waiting for a part coming in. Went to a full exhaust on the Civic. Gonna be super sick. Right now we're just gonna go wash the IS300 because it's super dirty. That way I can show you guys more in depth of how the mirrors came out because they look sick. Mind that, that's some evap, but we got no gas per usual because of no hot cats. So we gotta go put some motherfucking gas in this motherfucking car. So you want to make sure that we got money for gas, make sure you buy a hoodie on Saturday. So wait, actually this video might be posted on Saturday. They might be sold out. Let's just say that because I always say that and I always pray for that. But yeah, let me show y'all the mirrors though. Sheesh, dude, these bitches are busting. These just came out so sick. Car's a little dirty, but dude, these mirrors hit, bro. Tell me they don't. Bro, these mirrors hit, bro. Dude, these mirrors hit, bro.
I installed them.
Yes, sir. Yes, you did. All right, let's see how much it cost to fill this thing up. 200 put 50 bucks got us here, and that's why I like driving the Civic more than I like to drive this. So I just put up to this little garage spot I always come shoot at with the Civic. I think it's my second time bringing the IS here, but dude, the mirrors look sick. I think they look sick. I'm not sure what y'all think, but yeah, we're gonna shoot a little video for the hoodie. By the time I post this, probably this shit sold out. Maybe not, who knows, but let's hope so though. But yeah, so yeah, we're gonna get that little video and whatnot, throw some little cinematics of the whip. The mirrors look great, so if you plan on doing it, make sure you know that this is a DIY because they're not made for this car, but you can make them fit like I made them fit. So yeah, ended up finishing up installing the new side mirrors on the IS300 since someone did decide to hit me, but luckily we got that fixed already and the car looks pretty good. I really like how they came out. I never really liked the stock mirrors, to be honest, and I didn't wrap them, or I did wrap them but I took them off. But yeah, this is how they came out. It looks super dope. Definitely recommend you guys doing this mod, bro. Super simple, it's not that hard. Like I said, obviously they're for S13, so it's not for this chassis, so it's not straight bolt on, but it's nothing too crazy if you already know how to work on your car. You know, even if you don't, you can figure it out, trust me. But yeah, they look pretty sick. I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll just to show you guys how they look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not sure what else I added into this video, but if it's a short one, I mean, we got straight to the point. S13 Ganadors on the IS300 chassis looks super dope. I've seen a lot of people do it. I'm not gonna say I'm the first, but I have seen a lot of people do it, and there's a reason. It looks super dope. It looks super good. It's a rainy day today, dude. The weather's super good. I have this itch of sliding, bro, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful day, man. This is probably the end of the video. Like I said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys are gonna do this to your IS300. So I would like to see it on your guys' IS300. It looks pretty sick. Who knows? We might just secure another sponsorship with GK. Like that would be super, super dope. But we'll see. Yeah, give you guys some beer. Let's get it.